Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to add a new user to your Facebook page. So you launch the Facebook app, then ensure you've logged into your Facebook profile. Next, you visit the menu at the bottom right corner. Next, we're going to switch to the particular Facebook page you want to give access to a friend, a colleague, or any other person. So we click on the drop down. Next, we're going to select the page we want to give access to a friend or a colleague. So we're going to select speed up. So we're switching into speed up. All right, we've successfully switched into the page we want to give access to another person. Next, you click on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Okay, next you scroll upwards and click on settings and privacy. Next, you click on settings. Next, you scroll upwards. Then you click on page setup. Next, you click on page access. So you click on view. Now you'll be able to add new persons to this Facebook page. So if you want to give full access, you click on the add new just beside the people with Facebook access. While if you want to give a tax access, usually called employee access, you click on the add new just beside the people with tax access. So if you want to give Facebook access, which is more like an admin role, you click on add new. Then you click on next. Then you search for the person you want to give the access to. Okay. All right. So you could see allow this person to also have full control. So if you want the person to have a full control, this is where you're going to indicate. Okay. So by clicking on this button, you've given the person a full access to this page. Then you click on give access. They're going to ask you to input your profile password to confirm. Your Facebook profile password. Please don't forget this, not your Facebook page password. Your Facebook page doesn't have any password, but input your Facebook profile password. So you input your password and click on confirm.